here. And then, this might be easier to. Get a second one down through there. And then I'm going to try and get the CB there, and then get 2 more zip ties and create a loop, and then put the radio in it, and that should be enough to hold it in place. Maybe not with heavy driving, but putting through just enough that they hold, because I got to get the radio in before I tighten them, obviously. Fucking bench seat is designed like crap, so I've got a seat belt fucking jabbing into me. Alright. Got it looped like that. Plug the radio in, or not plug it in, just get it into these loops. Ah, shit. Damn it. Should have put it in the other way. See if I can still slide it out. Put it in like this. Got it held into place. Not tightening it just yet because, as you can see, I can't see the channel from here, so I'm going to try and adjust it a bit further. Fix this fucking thing. If I can figure out why it doesn't want to shut. There. Well, now it won't stay shut. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Might as well figure out if it even works. Well, that's a bitch. Let's see. Yeah! Alright, got power. And by the looks of it, it'll shut off automatically. That's perfect. Then I don't have to worry about plugging it in or unplugging it. Now it shuts. Alright, there you have it. I think this might be my best install yet. Now all I have to do is plug in the antenna. Yeah, there you go. Nice using zip ties so there's no holes in this piece of shit car.